Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this third part of the Renderforest tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to create a professional mobile app promotional video using Renderforest. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be using a pro version, and you can also get the pro version actually. You can actually also get it. I'm using the pro version currently. The pro version is just 53,000. It's just 53,000 in Nigerian naira, and it's not actually cost. It's not actually cost. Or you can get my premium course, and you have access to the Render Forest platform for free, like for free. Now, because I'm using a pro version, let me quickly show us something here. Let me quickly show us something. Now, by the special grace of God, you have the opportunity to create beautiful animations with this wonderful tutorial. Now, with this pro version of Render Forest, you have the opportunity to create a professional, far more professional than Benimi. You have the opportunity of creating professional whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation. Now, let me show you one. So you come to this whiteboard animation here, this one. So just click on it. So once you click on it, okay, you are going to realize that with this, you can create, when I'm talking about professional whiteboard animation, you can generate it here. You can generate it here.
You want to try whiteboard animation, but
Can you
don't
see
know
it? Can you see it? Oh, my network is
where to start.
a bit fluctuating.
Renderforest presents
Can you see
whiteboard
it?
animation
So
tool.
you have the opportunity to use this, and I can tell you with this, you can generate professional whiteboard animation. Now, let's pick one. Let's pick one of these presets. The meaning of preset is that uh, um, the what's it called has been done already for us. So we are just going to impute. We are going to the work has been done already. So you are just going to replace the wording with your own wordings. Do you understand? That's the meaning of the preset. So let's just search for web development. Okay, good. This particular web development services. So let's click on it now. So you can create amazing whiteboard animation with this pro render forest, and it's not actually expensive, so you can just pay for it, or you get my premium course and you get it for free. Okay, can you see it? So all you need to do there is just to all you need to do is just to replace the wordings. You are just going to replace the wordings with your own word, and that is all. Like that is all. In fact, in one of my videos, I'll be creating a whiteboard animation. I'll be creating a whiteboard animation uh, tutorial using this particular uh, preset. Okay, so let's quickly dive into the main thing for today. Now, what we want to create here is a mobile app promotional video. So we're going to simply click on this search icon. We're going to click on this search, and we're going to search for mobile app. So we're simply going to search for mobile app, and of course it's going to load all of this for us. Can you see? I'm telling you, they are, in fact, when I'm talking about professional templates, in fact, they are here. Templates that when you use them, when you create the video finish, you'll be super amazed. You'll be super amazed. I created one with this particular, what's it called? Of course, I've tried out series of them here, but I love this particular one. Let me show you the video I created with it. Can you see how this makes a lot of sense? Can you see how it makes a lot of sense? Like a lot of sense. So these are the advantages you have if you are using the pro version. But for the sake of this video, this particular one is actually a free. So, and this is what we are doing here is actually a free course. This tutorial is actually a free course. So I'll be using this particular free template so that all of us can be on the same page. So, okay, so we're going to just wait for it to load. Okay, let's check this out. Can you see it? So this is the template we are going to be, this is the template we are going to be using. So let's quickly dive in because of our time. So we are going to click on the create now. Okay. So as you can see here, one of the things I love about this particular template is that everything you need is already here. You don't even need to create any other. You don't need to create any other template. Like you don't need to create any other part. Everything is here already made for you. So all you need to do is just to put in your logo, put in your text and everything, and I'm telling you, you are done. You are done, and you are not just done, you are done with a very very professional video that you can charge clients a serious money for, because when they see it, one thing about clients is that when they see something and they love it, automatically they will pay for you. And please, this particular tutorial, I want all of us to make sure that we watch it and we do our assignment on it. I want to see our creativity, especially with this particular tutorial I'm doing currently with you. So watch the video and make sure that you do your assignment on it. I want to see the person. I want to see our different creativity, in different dimensions, right? So let's quickly dive into it. Okay, so now this first place is we are going to add our logo here. We are going to add our logo. So before the start of this tutorial, I already have my material set. So let's put in our logo. So for this particular what's it called? There's actually a brand I'm working with. It's called Workarm. So that's the brand we are going to be using. So Workarm. So this is the logo here. So let's click on it. So it's going to load. Then once it loads, it says your text number one here. So the tagline for the brand is actually where also they pay. That's the brand tagline for the brand. So actually with this template you can design websites, and you can also design for app. Of course, this Workam is actually a similar app to Fiverr. It's actually a similar app to Fiverr. And what this app does is that is here to help a lot of Nigerians, to move from a level whereby you are struggling to get clients on Fiverr or Upwork, to a level whereby by you just uploading your service on it, then you have the opportunity to what? You have the opportunity to get people to order for your service. So you can also check it out at workam.ng. Currently is on testing on Google Play Store. Is currently on testing on Google Play Store. Let me show you what I mean by it's currently on testing on Google Play Store. These are Google Play Store here. So let's search for workam.ng. Okay, Workam. Just search for Workam. So can you see it here? So can you see it? So it's actually currently on testing. It's actually currently on testing. And if you are watching this tutorial and you want to be part of the beta tester, the early testers, you can actually DM me personally, and I'll forward you the link to becoming a beta tester. The meaning of beta tester is early tester of an app. So let's quickly continue. Okay. So we have put in the tagline. They don't. I don't need to put in this second. What's it called? Because okay, okay. I can just add. I don't need to add anything actually. I don't need to add anything. That's the tagline. So let's continue. It's not a must you add text in anywhere there. You say you should add text. It's not necessary. So now this second one. Now it says put your screen. Anywhere you see screen, it means you are going to add a particular. You are going to add an image to the place. So let's click on it. Let's click on upload. So once we click on upload, we are going to pick. Okay, so all you need to do is just to screenshot the interface of the app or the website you want to create this for. So let me pick this. Of course, if you want to create this, you have to already have the screenshot of the website or the app that you want to create this for. So I already have this. So the next thing is to add your text. The next thing to do is to add your uh, text here. So I already have that made already in my notebook. Okay, let me go to my notebook and pick something from there. So now, good. Okay, in fact, on that first page, you can even add something like introducing Welcome, introducing. Okay, you can just add it. Let's go back here. Good. So I'm simply going to click on this text too. So instead of where also they pay here, we can put introducing Welcome first. We can put introducing Welcome first. Okay, we can just make it a bit bigger. I believe all of us already know how to do this. So the second one, so you now put where else do they pay. Let me put where else do they pay there. Good. So now let's move to the next one. Now, okay, so which text are we going to add here? Sometimes it doesn't. It's not a must. It's not a must. You add text. Sometimes you can just leave it. But let's continue for now. Let's continue for now. So if I'm going to add text to it, as time goes on, I will know. If I will need it, I will know. So let's continue. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, there are three screens that you need to add pictures to. So all you need to do here is to go to your website or your app and make sure that you capture the interface that talks about the website, what people can do on the website. So I already have some here, and the one I'll be using first. Okay, let me click the one here, this center one first. Okay, so let me no. Okay, let me pick one of it. Okay, which one should I do? Let's pick this. Good. So it's going to load. You can click here to, and you're going to add. In fact, on this particular platform, you have the opportunity. If you are a new startup and you want to know whether what you want to start is actually a training business, you can actually make research with the keyword intelligence, the Welcome keyword intelligence. You can actually do that on that particular platform. So it will give you ideas on what's it called, on whether the business you are about to go into, whether people are actually actively looking for it or not. Okay, so you can just put, which one have we used? Okay, we can put, I felt like we should put this. Okay, well, let's use it. Let's do it that way. So we're going to put this start your hustle today. So we're going to put it here. I thought we have picked this. So let's pick this keyword intelligence. Okay. Why is it not loading? Good. So now, then you can just pick your text for. Now, let me go and see in my text. Okay, Nigerian clinic. Okay. Well, let's add this Nigerian digital marketplace. Okay, so we are going to copy this like this. We are going to copy it, and we're going to come back here. So we are going to paste the, what's it called? Okay, good. Okay, so I'll put that there. Now the next thing is this space. Now, as you can see, here we have just two screens. So you have to put in two important screens. You have to put in two important screens. So which one should we use? Which one should we use? Which one should we use? Let's put this. Let's pick this one and this, and let's pick again another one. Okay, which one have we not used? Okay, let's pick this. Good. So I'm going to come here. Now it says add your text. Add your text here. Okay, let's see any text we can add. Let's see any text we can add. What is this one talking about? Okay. Um, no, I think let's change. This what we are doing here, you want people to move from level by level on the what's it called. So this our next script here is talking about connect with verify Baba Taylor. So what we need to put here is something relating to where users will be able to see that on this particular platform. So let's come here, let's click this. We have to remove it. So let's upload it. Let's go and check one of the screenshots that fits in to that what's it called. So I think this particular one fits in. So we are going to pick it. So once we pick it, then the next thing is to go and copy our text from our notebook. Okay, so connect with verified customers and click on your environment. So we're going to come back here. So we're going to put in our test. We're going to put in our test. Good. So let's just leave it that way. Let's leave it that way. Okay. So the next place, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a 6 icon place. Interesting. So let's upload. I come in prepared actually. I come in prepared. So let's put this. Okay. Which one do we choose now? Let me check. Oh, okay. So I'm not gonna make mistake. Okay. Let's upload this particular testimonial. This testimonial. Let's upload it. Can you imagine? We uploaded the same thing twice. Let's upload another one. Okay, let's upload this. Then let's pick this testimonial. Where is the testimonial? Okay, yeah, this is the testimonial. Yeah. So let's go again. The testimonial has not uploaded though. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I think we should upload one of the key things. Let's upload this. Good. So good. Now let's upload this particular refer and end page. The refer and end page. Now the next thing, let's see another one that we can upload again. Okay, let's upload this. Good. So we are done with the 6. So now the next thing is that we are going to go and copy another of our text. So let's copy this with BVN, escrow protection and the likes. So let's copy it. We're going to paste it here. So let's paste it. Good. Okay. So what next? Okay. So this page. Okay. What was this page? Showcase your skill, get discovered instantly and receive pure payment. Showcase your skill. Okay. So that will be one of the pages that is talking about how you can post your service. How you can post your service. Okay. So let me pick this. Can you imagine? That's a mistake. Oh. No. Remove. Cancel. Let me remove it. That's not where I want to put it. I want to put it here. Okay. So let me go and pick it again. Good. So for this page, let me see one. Let me see one that will make sense here. That will make quite, some sense. Okay. Let me pick this. Now I can actually edit. Right. I think in the last one of the last videos I show us how we can do this. Good. So you can just edit with it. You can crop with this particular plus and minus. Do you understand? They want it to be bigger. Then okay, 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 okay. Uh, I think this is okay. So we're just going to click on that. Then the last place, the last place, the last place. What should we put here? What should we put here? Okay, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so let's come here. So for this screen, I already screenshotted one that I want to use. So let's pick this. Good. Now we are going to put the Workcam logo. We are going to put the logo here. I'm going to put the logo here. Okay, so let's get the logo. I actually have different version of that particular logo. Let me use this. Let me use the same version. Okay. So now we already have this. So now the next thing to do is to add your tagline again. Add your tagline. What's our tagline? Where also a. Let me go and see if we still have anything to add from this our notebook. Okay. So let me copy again. Let's come back here. Okay. Good. Okay. So now the next thing is to add icon. Add icon. The meaning of that icon is maybe like Google Play Store icon. Uh, some of my students in the copywriting course, there's actually different script writing, and for this particular app promotion now, what's it called, video, the one we will use is the one that will that will express benefit, the features, and then call to action. So this last page here, you know we are showing in this video the benefit of the app, the features, and then lastly, this is the call to action page. Do you understand? This is the call to action page. So you know that's why you are going to that's why we are going to need the Google Play Store icon. So now we are going to go to, okay, let me just use another tab. Some of us do not actually know what this thing used to do. Now this thing gives us the opportunity to operate our phone like a laptop. Let me click on it. When I click on it, can you see it separates the, what's it called, for me? So let's go back to this particular one here. Let's go back to it. So this is an additional bonus for you. So there are two what's it called we can use to, okay, let's first download the Google Play Google Play Store icon. Okay, good. So we have different ones here, but let me choose the one that I want. Let me choose the one that I want. Okay. I don't like why all these app looking so melancholy like this. Okay, I think this one makes sense. I like this one. So I will click on it. Now download image. So once I download image, it's going to load, it's going to bring download again, and we have it. Now the next thing to do is that if you put the logo there like that, all this background will show there and it will not make sense. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on this search bar. I'm going to search for either Slither background remover or remove BG. You can use remove BG. See, remove BG. You can use either of these two. Both of them does the same work. But let me use this laser. I like that name, laser. Like razor, right? So we are just going to put in the image. We are going to put in the image, and we have it here. We are going to click on done. and automatically without you typing in anything, close this one. Then you are going to just download image. You click on preview. So and once you do that, you are going to click on download and that's downloaded already. So now we are going to go back to that our render forest again. We are going to go back to our render forest. Just click on this bar again, and now you are teleporting back into render forest. Render forest. I like that name actually. It means that a forest that render videos, graphics, different things. So okay, so we are in. So now the next thing you are going to do is to click on this, this icon one, icon two, icon three. I mean this platform is already on Apple Store now. We have just pick two icons. Do you understand? But let's just use only one. Let's use only one. Let's pick the is currently is under testing. Like I said, if you are interested in becoming part of the testers, you can just send a DM to me and you become part of the testers. So like I said, it must you use all the what's it called. If you don't have any icon you want to put there, just leave it. You understand? Just leave it. So now we are done with uh our replacements. We are done with it now. So now the last thing I will encourage you to do is that me now, for example, this red background doesn't fit to this green what's it called. So we are going to click on this color. What's it called? We are going to click on it, and we are going to change our. We are going to change the color. Let's just change the color. I don't like this color. Okay, is this color? Does this color? Let's see. Okay, how about this one? Does this one work? Well, let's use this one. Let's use this particular one. I believe it should be able to work with. It should be able to work with our what's it called? You know what? Let me use Wacom color itself. Let me use Wacom color. This is very close to Wacom color. This is very close to Wacom color. Good. So we are going to click on play. So once we click on play, it is going to render. It's going to render, and once it renders, we are going to have an our video in the professional and upgraded way. Do you understand? So I'm going to just wait for it. So and by the special grace of God, we are going to have this rendered and exported without the watermark, and we are going to also be exporting in a very high video resolution because we are using the pro version. But if you are using the free version, you might not be able to do all those things. You might not be able to do it. And the people in my paid class, they have access to this render forest. They have access to it for free. Okay, so this will render. Let's just wait for it to render, finish rendering, and let's have our video. So let me pause this video. Once it finish rendering, we're going to come back. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, so let's play it from the beginning. Wow, wow. This is more than beautiful. In fact, if there's any other word I can use apart from beautiful, this is beautiful. This is awesome. This makes a lot of sense. This makes a lot of sense. Can you see this? Now, one thing I want to edit here is this particular Google Play icon. The thing did not show very well. It did not show very well. So let me just increase it. Let me increase it. You can increase the what's it called here. See, can you see the way I'm clicking on this plus button? So that's why it's important that at least you watch your videos yourself before before you say you are what's it called. So you click on done. Okay, click on done like that. What else need improvement? I think one of the text here, text looks kind of it doesn't come out well. So let's increase the okay. Let's put it here. so that this the text can come out, so that people that are seeing this can also be able to read it at least. Okay, let's increase the text so that people will not be squeezing their eyes. That was this, you know. So, and let's see, can we change the color? Let's see, we can just okay. Which one should we use? So, you know, this gives us a lot of opportunities because we are using the pro version. Let's pick this Titan. Let's pick this Titan and see the outcome. Okay, let's render again. So once the render finish, I'm going to play this video back. Okay, rendering is done. So let's play. Can we see how this is very very beautiful? You know, this is more than beautiful. This is more than beautiful. This is more than beautiful. Now, let me ask you something. Like this video that we just did now, like how much do you think I can charge for it? Do you know the amount I will charge for this particular video alone? You know, do you know the amount I will charge for it? Imagine you also have the opportunity to create the same video and you're able to create it for the kind of the right people, you know. There's a way there are some people that if you do all these things for, they will not even appreciate you. They will just see it as normal thing. But if people that that know the value of this thing, if they see it, they will appreciate it better. They will appreciate it better. So guys, let's export. We are going to click on the export, and because we are using the pro version again, you have the opportunity to export with the high definition, the 1080p. You have the opportunity to export in that level. Your video will come out clean and clear and sharp, very clean and sharp. So our video is rendering. So we are just going to wait for it to render. So I'm going to play back this video once it finishes rendering. Before that time, eat your popcorn. Don't forget. Okay. So our video has finished rendering. Just applying video. Just applying audio. Good. Very good. Can you see now? Our video is out without watermark. Coming out clean and clear and sharp and professional. Guys, I'm going to update you about the price I charge for this. I'm going to update you about the price probably in my next video if I remember. And if I don't remember, remind me in the comment section. Okay? So we are going to go and watch our video now. Our video is ready. So let's go and watch our video. So let's watch it and see what we have done. Can you see? This Renderforest has a lot of features. In fact, in one of the classes, I'll be showing you how to create an Uber level advert video. One of the video that Uber use for the advert video. I'm going to be showing you that video in one of these classes. So guys, this is the end of the video on mobile app promotional video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, my name is the Young Entrepreneur Mentor, or you can simply call me Coach Daniel. God bless you.